Hi, I'm Anne from Max Reviews, and today I'm introducing the Feelworld FW568, a fantastic 5.5-inch DSLR monitor that's perfect for anyone who films and wants better control over their shots. The first thing I notice is the excellent image quality. This ensures you can precisely adjust focus and be confident that your footage looks perfect. One of the best things about is its practicality. This monitor is a super lightweight, weighing only 175 grams, making it ideal for field use. Plus, the 4K HDMI input and output allow easy connection with various cameras and real-time monitoring of your footage. Advanced features like focus assist, zebra exposure, and false colors provide extra confidence that exposure and sharpness are perfectly set, essential for professional quality shots. The package includes some useful accessories such as a sunshade to improve visibility in bright light and a tilt arm for easy mounting and adjusting your viewing angle. I use this monitor with my camera and it gives me phenomenal image quality. The colors are accurate, the details are sharp, and working with it is an absolute pleasure. Overall, this monitor is a fantastic addition for any photographer or filmmaker. Thanks for watching.